Let's get started with the new Ameda Pearl breast pump. Before using your new Pearl breast pump, prepare by sterilizing your hygienic kit in boiling water or sanitizing in microwave steam bags. Allow the parts to air dry before assembling. Once you've sanitized your hygienic kit and examined it for wear and tear, you can proceed to assemble the milk collection system. Secure the flange onto the bottle and attach the open end of the silicone tubing to the tubing adapter. Connect the power adapter to the back of the pump. Place Pearl on a horizontal flat surface. Next, open up the tubing port cover at the front of the Ameda Pearl. Carefully insert the tubing adapter into the open tubing port, then turn slightly to the right while pushing firmly. If you plan on single pumping, simply remove one tube from the tubing adapter and close one side using the attached plug. Once you've connected your hygienic kit to the pump, it's time to attach the flanges to your breasts. Center the flanges onto your breasts and press firmly to create a tight seal. Power on Pearl by pushing the power button. Pearl will begin in stimulation mode. Adjust the stimulation vacuum level between 1 and 6 to your preferred comfort level. Once your milk starts to flow using the stimulation mode, press the mode button to switch into expression mode. You can adjust the expression vacuum level between 1 and 12, as well as adjust the speed of pumping to your desired level of comfort. Once your milk stops flowing freely, you can induce a second letdown by switching back to stimulation mode if desired. When you're ready to end the session, simply push the power button again. Gently release the suction and detach the flanges from your breasts. Securely place the bottles in bottle holder compartments of the pump. Upon disconnecting the tubing, make sure to close the Pearl tubing port by pressing cover firmly over the tubing port. After each pumping session, rinse and clean all the kit parts. Allow the hygienic kit pumping kit parts to air dry before storing the kit for next use.